At SIS Palembang, we believe that even the smallest action can create a big impact. That's why we introduce SIT, where students engage in hands-on learning activity about science, ecology, and environmental discovery. Through science, our students explore the wonders of plant growth and sustainability. They learn how small changes like using compost and conserving water can make a difference. Ecology teaches us how everything in nature is connected. By growing their own plants, our students gain a deeper understanding of ecosystem and their role in protecting them. Our program encourages environmental responsibility, whether it's reducing waste, recycling, or taking care of our garden. SIT empowers students to take action for a greener future. SIT is more than just a program. It's a journey of discovery. Here, students don't just learn about the environment, but they also become the part of the solution.
I wish the world will be greener in the future.
I love learning to grow my own plants.
Come join SIS Palembang, where we plant seeds for a better tomorrow.
See you!